Seriously, did you walk right past you? So you give me yes. Perfect. Thank you.
No, video.
And away we go. For your safety, please remain seated at all times, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat, and supervising your children. I'll be your storyteller and your captain. My name is Steve. Welcome aboard. As our journey begins, we're going to be entering into Monstro's Mouth for our journey to Storybook Land.
Okay, like that.
As we make way right here in the Storybook Land, you're going to see one little house all by itself on my left-hand side in the complete darkness. That house belongs to the Big Bad Wolf. Now that house, that Big Bad Wolf's always chasing after our three little pigs, but luckily for them, they live on the right side of the canal. You can see their houses there. One house made out of straw, one house made out of sticks, and one house made out of wolf-proof bricks. And on that left-hand corner, little house there where Alice was chasing a rabbit. And as she fell down, things just became curiouser for Miss Alice in Wonderland. And on that right-hand side, you have London Park, where everything is small and miniaturized, except for those ducks resting there this evening, thanks to the help of Peter Pan and Tinkerbell using that pixie dust where things will never grow. And in front of us, we have Agrabah, the city of mystery, where a street rat named Aladdin bumped into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace, where the two fell in love and now live happily ever after inside the palace. And get your cameras ready, take those pictures and the selfies as we come under the beautiful archway. It's the same archway that Princess Jasmine and Aladdin flew on that magic carpet ride to a whole new world. We are now coming up to the Cave of Wonders. Inside the Cave of Wonders, you'll see the genie's lamp. Once you find that lamp, make a wish, and it just may come true. And they're coming up on that right-hand side, that little brown house there, belongs to Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. If you listen, you may hear them whistle as they work. And on my left side, that blue roof chateau belongs to Cinderella, where she desperately wanted to go to the ball. She just had to be back before that clock up there struck midnight. Otherwise, her carriage would turn back into a pumpkin. And if you see in the middle side of that hill, that pumpkin still rests up there. And on my left-hand side, this beautiful landscaping. This is inspired by our 1933 cartoon, Lullaby Land. And as we make our way up through this tunnel, as we pass on through, you're going to notice one little house on the left-hand side. That house is going to belong to Mr. Mole Rat. A little hard to see in the dark there, but next to that house is going to be his friend's house, Mr. Toad, the one with the lights on. Now the two of them are not home because they're out and about, riding around on that motorized car of theirs. And in front of us, or now coming to our left, is the town of Arendelle, where you'll hear both sisters singing it out, and the power of love has kept them together. And in front of us we have Geppetto's woodshop, where he's busy making his toys where he created his puppet Pinocchio. And he wanted so much more from Pinocchio, he wanted him to become a real life boy. And his wish came true. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see Prince Eric's palace, where Ariel traded in her fins for meat to live happily ever after with her new friend. And under that waterfall sitting up on that left side is where Ariel's father is, King Rex, where he is just a small boy. As our story comes to an end, please remain seated, even though Pam constantly inside the